So today I'm gonna be talking about a hard wax that I got off of Amazon. I'd actually seen one of the, oh, ignore my nails. I need to get them done. I actually got one of, I saw it on Instagram and I thought I should try it. And this is, I couldn't wait, so I kind of like opened it, the main box, to see what was inside, but then I stopped just because I remembered I wanted to try to see a video, to shoot a video about unboxing it. And this is the Kolua Wax Starter Kit. So this is what it comes in. I haven't opened it yet. So usually it comes from Amazon. It took about 2 days to come in. I think I ordered it on Monday, and today's Wednesday, and literally came in. Although I have Amazon Prime, I don't know if that's part of it, but yeah. So I ordered that and some other things, but this came like right away. So when it comes in this kind of box, not too big, so it's okay. And it comes in this pink one, and apparently it's supposed to come with some hard wax, so I'm gonna be opening it to see what it comes in. And go in, and oh, okay, there's like a bunch of flowers inside. I don't know if this like comes, oh, okay, so it's like a Laynard. It's nice. Oh, it's cute. Comes in that, and then this will be cute for my daughter to play with, so I'm just gonna give it to her. Yeah, can make it a little bit smaller, and that's it. And after that you get one, and this is for all over use. This is the Ad Wax for smooth hair removal. It's stronger for the hibiscus. It's 3.5 ounces. I guess this is the same thing, same Ad Wax. And then I guess this is for the bikini, and this one is sea salt and soft scent, I guess for a bikini area. And then this is for the face, formulated for brows and face. Literally, I'm really interested in this one, in the brows and the face, because I don't usually have time to get my eyebrows waxed or twist anymore, so I want to try this. This is coconut and coconut colada scent, and it's also 3.5 ounces. And after that, so literally this is 4 waxes, and I think I got it for, it was supposed to be $29, and I got a $2 coupon as well before I got it, and it ended up being $27, and it was free shipping. Mind you, I also have Amazon Prime, so I don't know if it's gonna be different if you do have if you don't have Amazon Prime. So when the box comes out, you have the pot to melt it, but also it comes with some the popsicle thing to apply the wax, and it also comes with like a beginner's guide and the instructions on how to use it. I'll be doing that next, and I think this is the one for the face, because you need a smaller one to apply. And that's it. That's what comes in the box. So I have the wax pot plugged in right now, and you can see the red light. Oh, red light right there is on. So I'm gonna try the Best Love, the all over body use, and I'm just gonna try to wax my arm, just to, I do have like hair, but it's really sparse, and I think at least you should be able to get something. So I just want to try that and see, because I'm not ready to really like go ahead and wax today, but since I'm doing the unboxing today, I might as well go ahead and see how it works. So I'm not gonna do a lot, I'm just gonna do very little and see how that goes. That's it. I feel like I'm just gonna put enough. So what I did is just put like it, oh, and yeah, this comes out, so just put this much, so it's not, I don't think it's too much for that. So go ahead and put that in. So it says for face, arms, legs, chest, back, and bikini. So pretty much you can use it for your face, can use it for, so pretty much I guess all of these wax bits you can check. Oh, and that smells really nice. Oh my god. Oh my god, y'all need to smell that. That smells really good. Oh, it smells good. Can you oh no you can't. That smells good. Honestly, it smells good. So I'm gonna turn it on to medium heat and then go ahead and let it do its thing. I'm gonna go ahead and cover it, and we will be back in a few to see how it's doing. Alrighty. I would say yes, if you want something inexpensive, you can go ahead and you don't really mind. You can go ahead and buy this. And worst case scenario, even if you don't like the beads, you can always buy like other beads from other places, like the wax bead from other places, and still use it. I think there's a pretty good waxing pot, but I don't see any reason why you shouldn't maintain the ones that came with the pot. So for now, that's my opinion, but hopefully I'm gonna keep trying, and then um, and maybe come back in like a month or so or two and give a final review of after using it for a month. All right, thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye. And please, before I almost forgot, please subscribe, like, and share, and yeah, comment on my YouTube. Thank you for watching. Bye.